Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building and Querying Knowledge Graphs with Neo4j. Imagine a giant web connecting all the things you know. That's a knowledge graph. Instead of sentences, we use nodes, like people, places, things, and relationships, like lives in, works at, owns. In programming terms, it's a database optimized for connecting information. Neo4j is like a special filing cabinet for our web of knowledge. Unlike regular databases that store data in rows and columns, Neo4j stores data as nodes and relationships, making it super fast to find connections between things. Let's build a simple graph. We'll create nodes representing actors in movies, and relationships showing who starred in which movie. This involves using Neo4j's Cipher query language, which is like a simple, intuitive way to talk to the database. Cipher is the language we use to ask questions of our knowledge graph. For example, find all movies starring Tom Hanks's or who directed the movie Forrest Gump. It's a lot like using Google search, but for our own custom knowledge base. We can add more detail to our nodes and relationships. For example, we can add genre to movies or birth date to actors. This makes our knowledge graph richer and allows for more sophisticated queries. Neo4j is designed to handle massive amounts of interconnected data. We'll explore how to efficiently manage and query large knowledge graphs, which is crucial for real-world AI applications. Knowledge graphs are essential for many AI applications, such as recommendation systems, like Netflix suggesting movies, chatbot intelligence, and fraud detection. We'll look at examples of how these graphs are used in the real world. We've only scratched the surface. We'll briefly discuss advanced topics like graph algorithms and integrating Neo4j with other AI tools to empower your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.